All right, so there's that. We got the car out of the garage. A lot of open space over there now. Got to move the bike over, get it out of the way. Then I'm gonna start loading all this junk here onto this trailer right here for right now. Get that loaded up, and then the plan is I can just back the trailer into this bay once it's cleaned out, you know, to have this stuff on the trailer temporarily until they get the doors done. So I think we got a plan. I'm gonna get to it. All right, YouTube, so we're back. So next day we got Pantego here backing in now. They're gonna get ready to put the doors in. Pretty excited. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of it, but I don't want to be in their way too bad. So stay tuned, we'll get you done. on that steel where you just put it up.
Yeah.
If it's gonna be over the sheetrock on this side, would we be better off to put a little piece of sheetrock between the boards so that once they do the sheetrock, it'll be kind of the same height the whole way? Like just like a little patch spacer piece or something? Or either send it down with some washers or something?
They were probably gonna take it down to the sheetrock, right?
Oh, I don't know, maybe. I guess, I don't know, I ain't really sure about that.
I think normally they do. It'd be better that way, but if you think they're going to try to go around it, it might be better.
Well, they'll probably, if you think they'll take it down, that's probably what they'll do.
See,
I think that's what they did last time anyway, so it's probably what they'll do. But it ain't gonna mess up nothing for them to take it down. Like just leave it, I guess leave the doors down and just.
Yeah, as long as I put it back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Close.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be fine. I think it's normally what they do.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. We'll just roll with it. You just have to wind it till you see 8 rows across or something? Like 8 spirals?
8.5, yeah, but you don't count the first one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry about forgetting them other ones. I'm not sure how many months it's been since here last.
Yeah, it's been definitely a couple of months anyway, maybe 3.
I remember talking about it now. We're going to bring them back and pop them in.
Yeah, it happens.
Well, yeah, we'll stop by sometime and put them in. Surprised we didn't say something about it on my paper.
The good thing is y'all not too far away.
No, it's not bad. You get up here a lot.
Yeah, I figured you did.
I've
Gotta be.
been up here about a week actually.
So it gotta be a lot of work in this area for y'all.
One of my favorite areas to work, really.
Y'all go down south a lot too?
Well, we have a location in Kansas City.
Yeah.
And they cover that more. But we do go down there sometime.
Okay.
Yep, sometimes we go all the way down to the beach and go all the way up the beach, you know, cross
Right.
over. We go up to Corolla. Time we go all the way to Corolla and hung 2 doors. Go all the way back.
Man, that's a long ways for 2 doors.
Yeah, that's a long way.
All right, guys. Well, there you have it. They got them all installed. It's pretty cool. I'm excited about it. Definitely different. Never had garage doors that you could just open and close from the house. That's pretty cool. It'll save me on those like wet, rainy days where you're out working in the shop, you go in for a break and then it starts raining on you. All I gotta do is just, you know, hit the button and they come down. So like I said, pretty excited about that. It's gonna make a pretty good addition. Now I just gotta get the sheetrock done and some more electrical inside. Kind of get some things squared away that way, and the shop will be good to go. We can get back in there and work on this some more. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Stay tuned, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.